Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Finsweet extensions for Webflow. We will begin by understanding what these powerful tools are and why they are essential for elevating your Webflow projects. Finsweet offers a suite of solutions that significantly expand Webflow's built-in features, allowing for much more dynamic and interactive websites. You can achieve advanced functionalities like custom filtering, sorting, and much more with just a few simple steps. To get started, the first step involves embedding the necessary Finsweet library script into your Webflow project's custom code section. This script acts as the foundation for all Finsweet extensions. Next, you will apply specific custom attributes to your Webflow elements, which tell the extension how to function. Remember to follow Finsweet's clear documentation for precise attribute values and class structures to ensure everything works perfectly. With Finsweet extensions, you can unlock a wide array of practical applications. Imagine implementing powerful CMS filtering, allowing users to easily navigate through large collections of dynamic content. You can also create custom sorting options for your lists and grids, giving visitors control over how they view information. Furthermore, enhance the user experience with advanced search capabilities and seamless pagination, making your site incredibly intuitive. To ensure a smooth and successful implementation, always adhere to a few key best practices. First, thoroughly test any new extension in a staging environment before publishing to your live site. This prevents unexpected issues for your visitors. Second, consistently refer to Finsweet's comprehensive documentation. It is an invaluable resource for detailed instructions and troubleshooting. Finally, maintain an organized Webflow project with clear naming conventions for all elements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.